Everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Miss Green, and it's not the greatest day to be doing a video. Yes, it might look a bit cloudy at the top there because it is literally in the afternoon and the sun's about to go away from us because that going back clock thing has affected us with sunlight, because it is in the autumn and there's less sunlight in autumn and winter than there is in spring and summer. And I have something that I was pondering. I know normally broccoli grows a substantial amount of space. So should I say, not space, what am I talking about? Taking it to the roof from the back? No, I'm talking about height. But I have a broccoli that is growing like it's on steroids. Okay, I am standing right at it. I kid you not, this is approximately about 4.5 feet to 5 feet tall already. From the base of it, I've tied some bamboo to support it because it's the weight of it is leaning, and it is producing some purple sprouting broccoli. This look at this leaf. It's up here. Let me give you guys an idea. So I am approximately 5'5". You're right, short. Yeah, I know. It's okay. And look, you can see the leaves, right? Let me bring you down to like my chest area. This one here is at my chest. This leaf is at my chest. This is crazy. This is crazy. If I stand next to this one here, this one, look how close it is to me. Look, I'll give you an idea. Here, look. This is crazy. The leaves is close enough to be the same height as me. This is nuts. I have never seen a sprouting broccoli growing this. And it's the only one that I have here that's this huge. The leaves are bigger than my hand. The leaves are just huge. You can use this as an umbrella. And look at the thickness. Look, my finger is here. I have thick fingers as it is. Look at that. This is my whole hand. And if I put my hand, let me put my hand on one of these leaves. Look. The leaves are about 4 times the size of my hand. And it's given for food. Purple sprouting broccoli. Look at that. And it's huge. Look. All of this. It's going to be lovely. So I'm watching it and hoping it gets a little bit larger before the cold, the deep frost. So I'm really trying to avoid the frost, but it should be fine in the frost. Broccolis are tolerant of the frost to a certain degree. But look at that. Just beautiful. If you've never seen a purple sprouting broccoli, here's one for you. And it's clustered together. This is crazy. I have another one here. These are broccoli. Look how small they are. These are broccoli. They're tiny. Some other ones, these they haven't put on in any growth. Look at this one here. But nothing like this. Nothing like this. Nothing like that. This is crazy. This is the biggest broccoli I've ever seen in my life. And wow. That I'm doing something good. Look, this is a sign I'm doing something good. It's a sign I'm doing something good. Look, I kid you not. These leaves are in my chest. I know I'm short, but sheesh. I need to borrow some of his fertilizer and put it on my toes and see if I can grow anymore. I know I can't literally grow anymore. My growth is gone about 20 years ago. Yeah. But I love you know what I mean? Great things come in small packages. Like a bank account, like a credit card. Anyway, that's just speaking of myself. Anyway, everything is amazing, whatever shape, size in the world. We all are amazing in our own unique way. This is your boy, Mr. Green Hands, and stay blessed. Please do not forget to look after the planet, because we have to. See you guys next time. Stay blessed.